Hi and welcome to my channel Zanzebek here, and today we're gonna talk about Instagram story glitter letters.
Guess who's back?
Let's jump straight to the point. So basically you go to your Instagram story tab. So you take any photo you like. Here's we have our models, a little Groot and I think it's Freddy from MailChimp. So you search for a GIF sticker. The specific keyword for that will be glitter. You search for glitter or anything like blinky. Try to find a GIF that could fill in the whole space, the whole screen of your iPhone. And here I have glitter donut. All you have to do is zoom it in so that it fills the whole screen, and you need to save this as a video. Now you discard this clip and import the saved video. Now when you select a brush tool, remember that you must choose the one on the left. It's the first and it's being chosen by default. You can choose any brush size as long as you have the right color. You tap and hold on the screen so that the whole screen becomes the color of your choice. Make sure that you have like a darker color chosen for that background. Now to achieve glitter look for your letters, all you have to do is select the eraser tool. It's on the top right. Select the correct size of your eraser tool because it will determine the size of the width of or like the boldness of your letters. And now you just write the words as you normally do with any brush tool. So that was it. Thank you for watching and consider subscribing to see my future videos. I'm planning on uploading a lot this year. More Instagram tips and tricks are on the way, so stay tuned.